In this video, I will show you 3 useful methods on how to write to a file using bash scripts. Applying these methods, you can write command output, errors, and reports of user logins to a file. So let's get started. In the first method, I will show you how to write in a file by using the redirection operator or by redirecting the output in a file. Here I have already created a script named output to file.sh. Now I will describe the code of the script. I have started with the shebang line as usual. Then I have written a commented line which states that it is writing output to a file. Then I have used the redirection operator, more specifically output redirection operator, which is the greater than sign, and I have used the output of the date command to be redirected to this file, files.txt. Next, I have written another commented line stating it will append list of files with the previous file, which is file.txt. In this section, I have used double greater than sign, which is output appending operator. This will append the output of ls-al command to this file, files.txt. Next, I have written another commented line which states it will redirect errors to the error file.txt file. Let's see the code over here. This will redirect the output of ls-ahlk command, which sorts the file by size, and the output of this command will be redirected to this file, output file.txt. If any error is generated in this command, it will also be redirected to this file, which is error file.txt. I have used 2 greater than sign to redirect the standard error. In the next section, I have written another commented line which states that it will redirect output and the errors to the same file. Over here, I have used the date command, and the output of the date command will be redirected to the error_out.txt file. If any error is generated, it will be redirected to the same file. For that, I have used this operator. And the last section, over here, I have used the format specifier in year, months, and date format, day format. Over here, I have written the format specifier in a wrong way intentionally to generate an error. This will capture the error and append the error to this file error_out.txt. Now let's see the code output in details. Now it is time to execute the script, but before that, always make sure to provide the executive permission to the script. For this, I'll use the chmod command. Now the executive permission has been added. Now I will execute the script using the // notation. Now after executing the script, it will not display any output in the terminal. This is because in the script I have used redirection operator to text files, meaning this will write the output of some specific commands to that file. So I have to use some commands to display those files. For example, now I will display the files.txt file to see the redirected output. I will use the cat command to display the file. Now the output is long because I have executed the script before a couple of times. At first, the date command is redirected over here in the first line. Then, as you can see from the script, I have appended the output of ls-al command to this file. So it will list all the files and directories, including hidden files, with its informations. Next, I will display the output file.txt to see if there is an error in the file or not. Let me clear the terminal first. As you can see, it does not display anything in the terminal. So let's see what's the mistake over here. Now let's display the error file to see if there is any error in the file. As you can see, it gives an error with the ls command, telling that ls command has an invalid option k. Let's see the code again. I have intentionally used option k, extra option k over here to make it an error, and this error is redirected to this file. Now let's see the third code. I will display the error out.txt file to check whether there is an error in the file or not. Let me clear the terminal first. Error out.txt. It says the date command has an invalid format specifier, which is this. This part of the code is coming from this section where I have intentionally used a wrong format specifier. And it prints the date command output correctly. In the second method, I will show you how to write to a file using the t command. So let's see it in details. Here I have created a script named t.sh. Now let me explain the code first. I have used the shebang line in the first line as usual. Then I have written 3 commands with pipe characters. First, I have written the history command, which will display the history or the saved commands which I have used earlier. Then this history command or the output of the history command is piped with the tail command, which will display the last 10 commands from that history command. And then I have used the t command piped with this combined output to the shell history.txt file. So this combined output will be saved and it will be displayed in this file. So let's see the output in details. It's time to execute the script. So now I'll use the source command to execute the script. This displays the last 10 previous commands which I've used. Now the combined output is also captured or saved in the shell history.txt file. So now I'll open that file. The same output is also captured in this text file. In the third method, I will show you how to use Heredoc or here document to write to a file. So let's see how it works. I have already written the script over here. At first, I have created a script named heredoc.sh. Now, before explaining the script, I will make you understand what is a Heredoc or here document. It is a special type of file where you use special markers, for example EOF, and it starts with this special marker and also ends with this special marker. The benefit of using Heredoc is you can write multiple lines easily and store it in a file. Now coming to the script, I have written the shebang line at first, then I have used a Heredoc marker and used the cat command to display the outputs to this file, which will be redirected to this file so I can open that file and see the output. The first text is you are logged in as, then I have used the command substitution with $sign and parenthesis and written the who am I command, which will display the current logged in user. And the next text is the current working directory is, then similarly I have used command substitution with the pwd command, which will display the current directory I am in. Now let's see the output in details. It is time to execute the script. At first, I will provide the executive permission. Now I will execute the script. It will not show any output in the terminal. I have to open the file to display the output. As you can see, the output is displayed after I have opened the file.txt, which is you are logged in as Fahmid, which is my current logged in user, which is me, and the current working directory is my home directory, which I'm in now. So that was all for today. If you want to know further, please refer to the article provided in the video description below. Thank you for watching.